My people, our fellow Nigerian lady don't come and say she dey give us advice. When I hear this matter, my ear don't stand ping. Because now we need people who go help us. You understand? I no say the woman come even bust my head. She say if guy tell you say he like you, but he get girlfriend, meaning say he dey relationship, very serious relationship, say make you date am. Say make you no look say because person don dey there already o. Because as she dey tell us like this, she herself na wetin happen to am. Say she dey chat with this guy, chat. Before you know am, the guy come dey like all her pictures. Na so she sef she go back go dey like the boy picture. They come dey meet, na so. And imagine all these things wey dey happen, the guy no even ask am out o. They just dey like pictures, come decide to meet. From meeting, they start dey have fun. You understand? Make I no talk everything for English. They start dey have fun. For how long? Omo my people, the matter even long past Kilimanjaro. And now she say finally say she and the guy don dey date because the guy recently ask am out. After they don't have all the fun now the guy dey ask am out, so she don come tell us because the thing work for am, so she feel say e go work for everybody. Now wow, sometimes I dey wonder how people go dey feel if the kind things wey they do to other people they do am to them. How they go dey feel? No, that question every time e dey my mind. See agent of darkness. My people, they don plenty o. Una think say na only Bobrisky, na only all those people. See, we get people wey look, they be correct women, ladies, wey they use them cause problem for this society. See them. How you go come tell us say if man ask you out and you know? No, it is very different if you ask me out and I no know say you dey date. You understand? He say even if you know. I know say as she don't talk this thing now, many of una don't happy because una dey look for who go ever encourage una. Una don't dey think and sense, but una just need person wey go push una small. Now una don't happy because una plan long time. We could continue. And my sister advisor continue. You never snatch who go beat you finish. You never all the ones so you don't snatch since. My people, because this matter will happen now. No be the first time. Then they say she don't do am since. She never snatched the wrong person. You get beaten where they go beat you. You go sing new song for your life. New song. Make we continue, my sister. Now here we dey. And for una way they like to dey follow. It happen for Monica. No mean say it go happen for Angela. It no go happen no. Because we all no get the same head. The oil where they flow for person head, no be waiting they flow for another person. Because now we get plenty motivational speakers everywhere, confucianists everywhere. Una too go dey follow. Ladies, make una dey wise. Make una dey wise. Because see, after I hear this matter, I come dey wonder say at least, okay, make we even look at the positive side. Even if positive side no dey. Okay, you snatch person boyfriend, then he marry you. My people, last, I don't find out say even marriage, they never marry. Now that one even bust my head. My sister, as they never marry you, because even marriage says no be assurance. You know how many people wey marry, in fact, that same wedding night, person even they carry them away. Marriage no be assurance. So for una always they confuse this thing. Marriage no be destination. Now journey. In fact, you still dey walk. For your mind now, you don't snatch person boyfriend, you dey there. Relax. Now until another person too go come snatch that same man for your hand. Now there your eye go open, you go tear. Now them, I don't tire. See, some ladies say they do me like, see, now wow. They never even marry you. Now just bang on the bang, igba. And you dey proud. You come outside, open that your mouth. They tell us, they give us advice. Careful who now they take advice from. You understand? They very careful. And men, make una never see. No leave any woman when you know say una start from scratch. No try am because see, some women cause they walk. If they swear for you like this, it don't catch you for life. No argument. So make una dey very careful. You no know whether na demon. No be all the girls wey una see inside skirt na human being. Dey very careful. And if I be man, my life would be very simple and sweet. Just one lady and I do okay. If una see something outside and you like, do it for your woman. No be say your woman always like dey wear gown and you like person wey dey wear trouser. The day wey you see person wey wear trouser, you don dey cheat on your woman. No, if you know say your woman always dey wear gown and you like trouser, buy am the trouser. If you like gold hair and she dey wear black hair, buy am the gold hair. It is very simple. Treat your woman nice. Dress her the way you like so that e go dey attract you every day. Not the way you go dey change. Wetin una gain? For una wey dey lis ten, wey dey follow, make una continue. When una enter gutter, no call my name because every time una go dey call my name, Madam Aproko, e don happen o. Make e no happen o. I no dey around. My number is switched off. My people, na the matter be this o. My people, I don't bring una police matter. I dey sure say many of una go dey talk say, Madam Aproko, you don't think when you talk about police. Yes, so their matter reach me. Nah. I say make I drop off una. My people, police people don't go catch drugs, money from all those people where they deal with drugs and all those illegal things. No be small thing, no. Hey, the name of the place na Myers, and e dey for Abeokuta. I dey sure say many of una go down. They go raid the whole place. In fact, carry all the things where they fit carry. If una see money, the drugs be like, I don't even know what I even feel use describe them. Plenty, different robbers, different color. I beg, my people no be smart, you know. Police people they serious. They count the money. I say I beg, I no fit swallow all these things by myself. You understand? Now I bring her because for now no know wetin dey happen for Abeokuta. I don't bring the matter come. Make we watch them.
From Myers, they are proceed. These are the exhibits covered from Myers. Yes, sir. I descend this in WhatsApp. So these are the cash proceeds covered from the release.
See drugs. No, see drugs. It be like sugar where they import from. How more? So people dey this country where they no. And I don't know. Hey, the matter dey serious. My own problem now be the police officer wey sit down there. They seriously they count the money with joy. See as he do like say na him work for the money. I dey sure say for una mind now, many of una go just they praise them. They talk say, police do now they do their work. Una they deceive una self. They do which work? It be like say you never know Nigeria police yet. Now why una they talk all these kind of things? Nigerian police, anywhere you call them, where money they involve, they go even carry a personal pass you where even call them. You don't know anything, no. So not even start they talk plenty things because see, they go sell these drugs to the people where they even carry am from. See that there. They go sell out to those people, make their own money on top. You understand? Now so they run all these things. Not be today. All this one that they see in a Photoshop. Forget them. No be here with they. I beg. See, if na man now we beat him wife, or maybe one innocent boy where they harass anyhow, we not go see them. They go tell you the only thing we go hear na their favorite English. We are working on it. We are investigating the matter. We are now the only thing where they sabi where they go come up for their mouth. As this one happen now, they know they investigate the money. They don't start the counter immediately. Straight. Now they call police is your friend. No, see them. Now wow. And I even they show say that money no go even reach station. Lie. And they go come sit down, as many of them where they there now, they go come sit down, plan their report. They go say, okay, when we reach them, we go tell them, say, no money was involved, say, now only the drugs. Even the drugs, they should say, see, no trust police. As long as say in Africa, my people see, no trust them, no waste your time. I dey tell you because we don't see all these things finish. We don't see them finish. Now, why if I dey tell you now something, make una learn to dey listen. I dey tell you now because now see these ones. Okay, as they collect money, they collect drugs, they collect all those plenty things. Why they not arrest people where they involved for the matter? It's a question to answer. Why they not arrest those people so that we go not say, okay, this matter they very serious. They leave people, they collect all these things. Una know they smell something. See, wise up, oh. Wise up. If you dey Africa, you know wise. Now if you say your own, your days are numbered. Police, Naija police. No. Make una well done. No, I dey hail una. Well done. My hands even dey up because I know say like this, una go ball, tire, no be small thing. This night, na correct turkey and beer go down. Una go just, in fact, na this night una go see say police people get side chicks. They go just go carry them, say, baby, take anything you want, there is money. My problem with all these people sef be say, upon all the thief, all the corruption, all the this one, all the that one, my people, e no dey show for their body. E no dey show. Some of them still dey look like bonga fish. Some of them still dey look like wetin no even get name. No, okay, wetin come be the essence of you take? No. Na why I like white people. Make I no even go there before una go say I don start. Police na una friend for una wey believe. For us wey know them, we don experience all these things. We know wetin we dey talk about. My people, na the matter I don bring una like this. No be small thing o. So I still wan know wetin una think because this money na e go abi e no go go. How many of una even agree with me first place? Na I wan know. So no forget, drop your comment for the comment section. I wan know wetin you think for this case and share this video, make it go viral, make everybody know wetin dey shele for here. Don't go far. I go see you later.